after the last video, I read my book, checked on the maintenance. I downloaded this free off the internet, so I've had it years, so I can't remember where. It's a bit blurry, so I do have to strain a bit to read it. Pictures are okay, but anyway, so I did have to oil somewhere in there. The book says some of the machines, because obviously it covers more than one machines, may have holes at the top. Mine hasn't, and you can oil through the holes. I put this cover back on after we finished cleaning that together, and obviously underneath was done. I've been messing about with the tension at the top and the bottom. I'll just get you right just to have a quick look, but for some reason, zoom you in, some strange reason, I've had to put my tension on the top at number 1, and I've never had that on number 1 before. It's always been on number 5. So, and yet it's actually sewn absolutely fine, top and bottom. So cleaning it and oiling it has cured the problem, but I don't know why. For some reason, for years I've been sewing it on a number 5, and for some reason now it won't sew unless it's on number 1. Let's just tighten it just a little bit, so on the edge of 1 and 2. Yep, that's fine. I've got it set on 2.5 at the moment, and yeah, that's still sewing absolutely fine. So yeah, so I've had to check my book to see which way I thread this, because I've got other machines, they're all different, and I've got another Jones has got this at the front or at the side, I can't remember now which one, but it's not there. So I suppose it all depends where they were made and what year they were made and what style they are. This is a Jones CB model machine D, so I don't know if you can see that. It's a Jones CB model D machine. Well, there you go. We cured that problem just by giving it a good clean and an oil and messing about with tension. The way I showed you, the tension at the bottom is good for all machines, modern and old. The way you set your machine up and where you oil it is down to what it says in your book. If you've got a new machine, I wouldn't take it apart, because you might void your warranty. You probably will void your warranty actually if you're taking it apart. Obviously, if it's a brand new machine, you need to have it done professionally for the first few years. Love my machine. I do free motion quilting on it, and so I'm going to be practicing that next. I haven't done any for a while, just to make sure that everything is all right and it is going to sew okay. Please press the like and the notification button, then you'll be notified of any future videos that I do. I've got other machines I've got to sort out, so I should be having to go with them as well. And there's one, I think it's the Electra that I was using the other day, went wrong on me, and so I'm going to have a mess with that. I've never heard of it before. I don't even know, I know nothing about that machine whatsoever. So if anyone out there has got an Electra, please get in touch. Thank you for joining me. Have a good day. Bye bye.